These herbal cosmetics are nowadays very much becoming very much popular for the application to your skin, as well as for other type of purpose also we are using the herbal cosmetics, as there are the so many types of problems occurring with the your synthetic type of cosmetics. So it is the, we can say, best alternative for our allopathic type of products, that we can use the herbal extracts or the herbal type of material as a drug, or herbal type of material as a excipients also, for prepare for giving the treatment to the peoples, as well as for the making the beautification purpose also, for hiding the imperfections of your skin also. So these are the herbal products, we can choose them for the preparation of your cosmetics. So in this case, we will see regarding the types of that products according to the site of applications. Then various kind of herbals or the herbs which are utilized in the skin cosmetics, in the hair cosmetics, in the hair dentifrices, in the nail products, as well as we will see the evaluation. So basically, what are the your cosmetics? As it is known to all of you that these are the substances utilized to enhance the odor and appearance of the human body, as well as they are utilized to hide the imperfections of your skin or imperfections of your body, and to improve the natural glow of your skin. We can utilize the cosmetics. As per the FDA, we can define the cosmetic as a product which is intended for or applied for a human body for cleansing purpose, for beautifying purpose, for promoting of your natural glow purpose, as well as attractiveness purpose, or to alter the appearance of your body or the skin. They are called as the cosmetics. Now, what are the herbal cosmetics? So these are the cosmetics which are prepared using the plant products having the cosmetic action. They are called as the herbal cosmetics. It means those cosmetics we are preparing by adding the extract of the plant originated material. They are called as herbal cosmetics. Recently, there is the tremendous use of biotinicals in the cosmetics have been increased due to the mild action and non-toxic nature of these ingredients. As I have already told you that today we are getting the lot of problems from the synthetic types of products which are utilized in the cosmetics. So there is the, we can say, alternative to that synthetic material. By using the herbal cosmetics, we can minimize that side effects or the unwanted reaction of the synthetic type of cosmetics. In cosmetics, natural as well as the phyto ingredients can be utilized for the preparation of your products. These are include oil extracts, various kind of oils which are obtained from the various plant sources, extracts of the plants, secretions or the resins of the plants, then phyto ingredients like your pure constituents obtained by the various extraction process can be added into the cosmetics, and we can term them into the herbal type of cosmetics. Now, types of your cosmetics or the types of your herbal products according to the application are skin type of cosmetics, hair types of cosmetics, dentifrices, nail, as well as the eyes. So these are the various kind of cosmetics type which are we are utilizing today in our daily life for the various kind of purposes. Now, which are the herbal cosmetics which we are utilizing for the skin? Generally, these are we are utilizing for the cleansing of your skin, for the nourishment of the skin, as well as a moisturizer of the your skin. So everyone have know regarding the cleansing cream, then nourishing cream, moisturizing cream. So in the previous study, we have studied about the different types of creams for skin, but today we will see regarding the that creams we are making modified by addition of the herbal products, and we are changing them into the herbal types of creams. So the herbal cosmetics for the various types of skin are, first one is the for the dry skin. So for the examples for the dry skin, and examples of that herb which are utilized for the dry skin are like rubia, cardifolia. It is shortly called as a mangista. On in our general knowledge, general language, we are calling it as a mangista. then Triphala, Tulsi, Glycyrrhiza glabra, as well as the some fruits we can utilize as a masking the face mask purpose, like banana or the avocado pulp. So these are the materials we can add into the different types of we can say skin products which are utilized for the dry skin purpose, and we can make it as a herbal cream for the skin, especially for the treatment of the dryness of your skin. Then various kind of products are also there which are utilized for the sensitive type of skin. These examples of herbs are Ushiro, Curcuma longa, that is your haldi, then Triphala, Azadirachta indica, that is the neem extract or the neem oil, then coconut oil is also there, then banana as well as the pineapple pulp is also utilized for the sensitive type of skin. We can prepare the individual, we can utilize these individual products into the or any kind of cream base, or we can make the combination of these all the ingredients and we can prepare the cream as well as lotion also we can prepare. Then for the oily skin purpose, there are the different herbs we can use like tulsi, idora, then jatipata, then nimba or the neem, then terminalia arjuna, then curcuma longa or the haldi, as well as the strawberry as well as the papaya pulp also can be utilized for the oily skin purpose. So these are the active ingredients from the herb family. They can be added into the various types of uh, cosmetic products which are prepared for the oily skin. So these are the types of various herbal creams and the lotion. Like cold creams and vanishing creams we can utilize or we can prepare as a base and we can add the extract of that material or the active ingredients. So here we can prepare the cold cream also as well as vanishing cream also, and we can add the almond oil, we can use rose oil also for the preparation of such kind of creams. Then we can have the cleansing creams as well as face lotion. So these are the different we can say product of the your cosmetics which are already established or which are already prepared for the taking care of your skin, but they can be we can say change into the herbal types when we are adding the such kind of extracts from the herb. Then another types of herbs are there for the skin care purpose like green tea, then camellia sinensis. Then this green tea is utilized to protect the damage of your skin, or it will try to avoid the inflammations of the skin, or it will try to remove the inflammation very quickly. Then turmeric is there, so which is very much familiar to all of you. That is the curcuma longa botanical name. So it is utilized to give the natural golden glow to your skin, as well as it is utilized for the healing effect purpose of your skin. Then rose is there, so it is called as the rosa as a botanical name. It is utilized for the to change the tone of the dry skin. As a toner, we can add it into your cream. Then sandal is there, so it is often from the sandalwood. Botanically, it is called as the Santalum album. Generally, it is famous for the giving cooling effect and calming effect onto your skin, which is natural astringent also as well as antiseptic also. So it will give the antiseptic as well as the astringent property when it is added into your herbal products. Then anti-aging products are there which are utilized to stop the we can say aging property of your skin, and it will again give the natural glow to your skin. So here we can use the carrot, but botanically it is called as the Docus carota, and your carrot is very much rich in the natural source of vitamin A. It is promotes it promotes the formation of the new cells and helps in the reducing wrinkles of the skin. Then another product is there, that is henna, that is Lawsonia inermis, that is the biological name. It is it has naturally affinity with the proteins in the hair. Uh, it is having the also ability making it able to stain the color into the hair shaft. So it is utilized as a natural coloring agent also, henna. So this carrot and henna can be utilized for the anti-aging treatment purpose. So types of herbals hair care products are like hair oil, hair lotion is there. So in the hair oils, we can also add the arnica, shikakai from the natural origins. Then hair lotions are there also. Then hair colorants are there. We are utilizing today. So in that hair colorants, we can add Lawsonia, Alba, Lamb as a natural coloring agents, as well as chamomile, as well as your henna. Then there are the shampoos also we have uh, studied. So that shampoo also can be prepared by your, we can say, using the base, and we can utilize acacia consino as a, we can say, surface acting agent from the natural source for cleaning purpose of your hair. Then for the hair care purpose, another type of preparations are there, or another ingredients are there, like amla is there, almond is there. So this amla is nothing but your natural avla in Marathi. So the family is, we can say, Ambica officinalis. This avla or this amla is rich in vitamin C, as well as it is having the tannins, minerals, which are providing the natural nutrients to your hair. Also, it will try to avoid the darkening of your hair. Then it try to make the dark your hair. Then almond is the also Prunus dalceus. This almond is contain the omega 3 fatty acids, which will provide the nourishment, as well as it will give the softness and strength to the hair. So these are called as the, we can say, almond and amla as a natural resources for the hair care purpose. When we are preparing the such kind of hair care shampoos or the hair care preparations, so we can add the amla as well as the almond or the its natural, we can say, extracts. Then dentifrices are there, which are utilized for the cleansing of your teeth and to care your teeth, as well as to avoid the problems of the teeth. Basically, we are cleaning your teeth by using the dentifrices. The ingredients which are utilized in the dentifrices are soap powder, saccharin, amaranth solution. Then oil of cinnamon and oil of peppermint can be utilized for the your dentifrices. Also, we can use the neem extract. Then herbals used in the nail care is there. So nail polishes are famous one, especially for the ladies. In this case, we can utilize the these nail care products for the fungal problems or the fungal infections are there. So it is taking the long-term treatment. Suppose we are applying the nail polish, so it will remain for the longer period. And in this nail polish, suppose we will add the any kind of antifungal reagent or the agent, so it will give the longer treatment to your nail. So here naturally occurring antifungal agents are there, like Lavandula officinalis, then Malayuca latrifolia, then Cybopogon citrates is there. So they can be utilized as antifungal agents in your nail polish. So this nail polish is also prepared by using the celluloid films, amyl acetate, and eosin. So these are the chemical reagents. Along with this reagent, if you add this Lavandula officinalis or the Malacia for the preparation of the natural or the herbal type of nail polish. Then some other types of herbs are there, which are utilizing the your various kind of cosmetics in the different form, like aloe vera benefits are there. Aloe vera is there, which is famous for the its utilization. It can be used in the creams also. It can be added into the lotions also. It can be added into the various types of we can say hair care products also. Generally, this aloe vera is having the number of benefits, like it keeps the skin very smooth as well as the supple, as well as aloe can delay the visible signs of aging skin. So it will try to avoid the aging of your skin. Then it will heal the cracked heels of your skin. Then it will moisturize the skin. So there are the lot of benefits of this aloe vera. So which can be utilized in the different types of products of your cosmetics. Then sandalwood is there. So sandalwood is also added into the different forms of your cosmetics. Naturally clear skin complexion and add healthy glow to the your skin. So it also tighten your skin, and it will try to avoid the wrinkles of your skin. It will have the effect on the skin tissues. It will provide the youthful appearance, or the, we can say, natural glow of your skin can be improved by using the sandalwood. As well as sandalwood can effectively fight against the various kind of bacteria as well as the fungi. It will prevent the breakout of the pimples also. So these are the you can say valuable benefits of the sandalwood in the various products. Then turmeric is also well known to all of you. It when it is utilized into the your skin care products, so it will help in the lightening the stretch marks of your skin. Then it will reduce the fine lines as well as the wrinkles on your skin. It will also give the quick relief from the accidentally burned skin. It is also utilized as an antiseptic, anti-inflammatory, and antibacterial in the various kind of products. Then rose flower is there, so we can utilize this rose flower for the different purpose. So we can prepare the rose water also. So it will improve the natural tone of the skin. Then it will prevent the dark circles below the eyes. So this is the a very potential use of this rose water. Then it helps to lock the moisture into the skin. So it is called as the we can say one best moisturizers. It will keep the feeling smooth. So these are the various kind of benefits of the rose. Then jasmine is there. It is also famous one. So it is having the tremendous utilization in the different products as a good fragrance. So it will give the anti-deodorant action as well as it helps for strengthening the roots of the hair, as well as it is having the utilization in the cure for the scrapes, wounds as well as the cuts. Then it is utilized as an antiseptics for your skin. So these are the we can say valuable benefits of the jasmine. Then papaya is also routine fruit for the your routine purpose. So when you are using the papaya pulp, so it helps in the removing the dead skin cell. It helps for the preventing the balding or the your hair removal problem can be treated. Then it is used for the treatment of the sore and cracked heels. Then it is used for the skin whitening purpose. So these are the benefits of the papaya. Then cucumber is there. It is also one form of the your salad, or it is the one part of your routine salad. So it is also having the different types of benefit when it is applied on your skin. It removes the dark complexation on your skin. It reduces the freckles. It helps in the removing the dark circles under the eyes. It helps in the soothing of your skin as well as softening of your skin. So these are the potential utilizations of your cucumber other than salad. Then tea benefit is there. So it is the routine morning drink of your for Indians. So when you are utilizing tea powder, so it adds the shine to the dull hair. So it is applied on your skin hair. Then it eliminate the darkness around the eye area. It increase the resistance of the body against the various kind of infections. So when we are preparing tea by using the tea powder, so it will stimulate the body also, and it will give the freshness also. Then coffee beans are there. So coffee is also choice of drink for the many people. So being a product into the various kind of herbal cosmetics, so this coffee is as also having the different types of utilizations. This coffee will play the crucial role in the regulating the cell regrowth. It is beneficial for the hair fall. It increases the skin elasticity. It protects the skin against the ultraviolet rays. So it is also called, we can say, uh, uh, ultraviolet rays filters. Okay. So these are the potential benefits of the coffee bean after the your coffee as a drink. So these are the various kind of products from the natural origin like aloe vera, beeswax, then arrowroot, ashwagandha, bentonite, then calendula, chamomile, then centella, then cucumber, then dill seeds, ginger, lavender, lotus, then nettle, rosemary, then rubia, tea tree, turmeric. So these are the various kind of products can be utilized in the your skin creams as well as the lotions. So either we can put the direct that material or we can prepare the extract and then we can add it into the your skin or the lotions. Then for the preparation of the shampoos, these are the various types of herbs we can utilize like chamomile flower, then calendula flower, then arrowroot, then cedarwood, lavender, lemongrass, orange flower, then vetiver. Then for the your hair coloring purpose, we can use the natural ingredients for the coloring purpose like aloe vera, lemongrass, lavender, cucumber, cinnamon, myrrh, rosemary, dill seeds, holly basils, nutmeg. So these are the various kind of material we can add into the your hair coloring preparations. Then dentifrices purpose, we can add also acacia, concina, then Butea sperba, chamomile, Embica officinale, Iplica alba, hibiscus, henna, honey, walnut, turmeric, safflower, then rhubarb, mallow, indigo. Then apart from that, we can also use the bubble also. Then cleansing creams are there. For the cleansing cream purpose, we can use the chamomile. Then we can use the cucumber. Then holly basils, jasmine. Then lavender, tea tree, rose, mallow, mint, as well as the lotus. So these are the various kind of material. Then for the anti-aging cream purpose, we can use the Butea superba, chamomile, centilla, then lavender, shilajit, rose, rice bran, myrrh. Now, what are the potential advantages of this kind of natural originating herbs which are utilized into your various kind of cosmetics? So, potential advantage of this material is that they do not provoke the allergic reactions and they do not have the negative side effects. So today we are utilizing your synthetic type of material. So various people will have the allergic type of reactions as well as the negative side effects on their skin when they are utilizing the synthetic type of cosmetics. But when we are utilizing such kind of your herbal products or when we are preparing the herbal creams or the herbal cosmetics, then there is the tremendous minimization of your allergic reaction is occurred. Most probably your herbals are not having the such kind of allergic reaction toward your skin and your skin is very much sensitive for the allergic type of reactions. So that's why today we are utilizing such kind of herbals to avoid the possibility of the allergic reactions as well as the negative side effects. Then this kind of materials are easily incorporated into the skin as well as the hair type of products. Then we can have the benefits with the small quantity, and in the small quantity this kind of herbal materials are very much effective as compared to the synthetic types of cosmetics. Another advantage is that extracts of the plant decreases the bulk property of the cosmetics and gives the appropriate pharmacological effects. Suppose instead of the leaf, if you are taking the extract of that leaf, then you can minimize the bulkiness of your cosmetics. Then these are generally very much available in the abundant quantity as well as easily they can be available. And they can be utilized into the fresh form because they are available in the nearby area and in the large variety also they are available, and they are easy to manufacture and cheap in the cost as they are obtained from the natural origin. So no much we can say various type of process has to be conducted, so easily they can be extracted and easily we can administer. That's why we can save the product cost. Now what are the potential disadvantages of such kind of herbs? So as there are the disadvantages for the synthetic cosmetics, so there are also disadvantages to the your herbal cosmetics also or the herbal products. So these herbal drugs have the slower effect as compared to the allopathic dosage forms. because we are using them into the extract form. So it will take the too much time to resolve your problems. But when we are applying them for the longer period, then you will have the definitely use of that product. Simply it will take the too much time. Then they are difficult to hire the test and the order. So it is the also one problem that some extracts are having the bad order or the bad, we can say, color. So it is quite difficult to hide the color of that product. So for that purpose we can use the any kind of other coloring agent to hide the we can say unpleasant taste or the unpleasant odor of that type of products. Then most of the herbal drugs are not easily available. So some herbs are having the seasonal type of growth. So only in season they will find into your natural origin, as well as depending on the you can say nature of your environment, they will grow in the particular area. So from that particular area we have to obtain them. They will not be found in the overall each and every area. Then manufacturing process are time consuming and complicated. So some herbs require the specific treatment for the extraction purpose, and that's why it will take the time for the extraction, and we have to take the too much time for obtaining that product. Then there is no pharmacopoeia defines any specific procedure for ingredients to be used in the herbal cosmetics. Actually there is no any kind of we can say proof or the any kind of support from the pharmacopoeia side that which kind of herbs we should utilize into your products. Another thing is that there is no standardization of that herbs, that which material is responsible to give the your particular type of effect. For example, suppose curcuma longa is there. So which material is responsible to give the anti-inflammatory action? Which ingredient is or the which group of that material is having the particular use? So it is not still identified. So it is quite difficult to carry out the various kind of your test when we are prepared the dosage forms. Suppose you have prepared any tablet containing the paracetamol, then we can judge we can say spectrophotometric evaluation we can do for the specifically paracetamol by having the you can say lambda max at particular wavelength. But in the cosmetics it is quite difficult that how can we'll make the such kind of wavelength, or on which wavelength we should go for the characterization of that product. So why? Because there is the we can say no standardization procedure is available, as well as isolation is not done for all kind of products. That suppose we have the neem extract, then suppose we have to separate the azadirachta indica or azadirachtin from that extract of the neem. Then we'll get the idea that this azadirachtin is having the a particular type of use and particular type of we can say absorbance wavelength. So for the many type of extracts it is not has been still done. So we are utilizing the extract or the combination of number of products in that extract. So these are the potential disadvantage of these herbs, as well as dose is not still decided. Now the storage conditions for the herbs. So these natural obtaining herbs can be stored at the cool and dry place. Then this moisture can damage the herbs. Then this help also moisture promote the bacteria and fungal growth in the your herbs. So these extracts or the we can say any kind of material like leaf or the rhizomes or the roots are there. So we have to protect them in the storing condition. Otherwise they will become we can say infected by the bacteria or the fungal growth may be possible. Then dried herbs should be stored in that airtight container. Then herbs should not be stored in the direct sunlight. So these are the we can say specific type of storage conditions we have to follow for the storage of your excipients. Now the finally we can conclude that the usage of this herbal cosmetics has been increased to many fold in the personal care system, and there is a great demand of the herbal cosmetics nowadays. Then there is the use of bioactive ingredients in the cosmetics which can influence the biological functions of your skin and which can provide the nutrients which are necessary for the health skin or the healthy skin, or to taking the care of your hair also. There is the tremendous scope to launch the numerous herbal cosmetics using the appropriate bioactive ingredients with the suitable fatty oils, essential oils, and proteins, as well as the additives. So there is the now today we have the lot of scope, and we have to obtain the various kind of these naturally occurring ingredients, and we can prepare the such kind of herbal products and we can avoid the possible side effects. So this is about your all kind of